Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 high-ticket affiliate programs in 2019. So you're going to want to stay tuned for the whole entire video. And as always, I got an income update for you as a result of high-ticket affiliate marketing. So first of all, we'll talk about what high-ticket affiliate marketing is. I'm going to show you these top 5 income streams, high-ticket income streams to make money from in 2019. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. So as always, at the beginning of a video, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click the refresh page here so you guys can see there's no hocus pocus here. We're logged into one of my merchant accounts at stripe.com. And this is just simply an account in which I process transactions for my high ticket affiliate programs. You guys can see at the bottom here, my net volume from sales, $40,638.42 so far this month. Last month, pretty dang close. I've actually done about $400 more, right around that, a little bit under that, than what I did last month up to this point. So March 1st to March 23rd, 2019, $40,279.97. So with that being said, number one, how do you actually get started in high ticket affiliate marketing? One of the things that you need to have is connections, because it's hard to just go out there and find these high ticket affiliate programs unless you are on a YouTube channel like this, unless you're learning from somebody that's actually associated with a high ticket affiliate program. Now, high ticket affiliate marketing is pretty much the same as just affiliate marketing in general, except you're selling high ticket products. You're selling higher price products in turn, of course, for a commission. So with affiliate marketing, of course, you're the middleman between the customer and the actual merchant. All you're doing is taking the customer, taking the product owner, and you're putting them together. So if you're interested in joining a high ticket affiliate program, there's going to be a link below for my top recommendation. So that's a perfect example of linking you with a product that will help you make more money, have more freedom, and have more wealth. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's show you guys the top 5 affiliate programs, specifically high ticket affiliate programs here in 2019. And these are programs I either have personal experience with or I know the product owner very well. One of the income streams, one of the high ticket affiliate programs, and I'll reveal to you, I actually got personal coaching from this guy. I actually don't promote his program right now because I got other projects that I'm working on. But all these programs that I'm going to recommend are of quality. You just have to decide on which one is going to best fit you. There are some out there that are better as far as the commission structure. There's some out there that are better, not as far as the commission structure, but the value of the product. So I want to be completely transparent within this video. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So the first income stream that I want to talk about is a super affiliate network. I actually haven't promoted this income stream since last year, but I was able to generate over $18,000 within this specific income stream. And just to break down the actual commission structure, you get paid 70% commissions. It's a tier 1 program. You're not going to see a whole lot of programs that are like multi-tiered where you make money off of the efforts of your team, because the FTC really cracked down on that, shut down a lot of different very popular high ticket affiliate programs in the past. So this time around, you're going to see a lot of these high ticket affiliate marketing programs doing things the right way. So as far as the product price points, I know the Super Affiliate Network, they've gone through a lot of changes, which is the reason why I wasn't promoting much at the end of 2018. I believe I stopped promoting about August 2018. They went through a lot of changes, changed out some sales funnels, changed out some of their products, changed their commission structure so it was compliant with FTC regulations. But it's a great quality program. I know Misha Wilson, based out of Hawaii. He is somebody that I actually promoted with in a company known as Empower Network back in 2012. And he was somebody that was always reaching the top of the leaderboards, which shows that, this guy knows what he's talking about comes to making money with affiliate marketing. And there's not any fluff, there's not any filler. He's always updating the products within the product line of Super Affiliate Network. So you can actually use the training to go out there and promote any really affiliate product out there that you want. It doesn't have to be Super Affiliate Network, but you do have the ability to pay a relicensing fee. Then you can go on and promote these products that I believe range anywhere, and don't quote me on this, right between $37 per month. And then you have high ticket items that are one-time fee that can be up to right around $15,000 to $20,000. And with those, you'll get 33% commissions. So it really depends on whether you're a basic affiliate or a certified affiliate, which I think costs a little extra to become fully certified. You'll notice that this goes up to the pro level, but this goes up to the Maui and all-in level right there. And then here are the different products within the Super Affiliate Network. You have the basic membership, the premium membership. This one is normally priced at $297. And you can go through here. I'm not going to bore you with all the information about each and every one of the products within each of these top 5 affiliate marketing high ticket programs, but you can feel free to go to superaffiliatenetwork.com/products to learn a little bit more about the product line. The next product specifically is known as Easy One Up, and their products range from $25 to $2,000, and then you could pay a one-time fee of $5 to $500 that will give you the ability to relicense these programs and earn 100% commission. So we're with Super Affiliate Network, you get right around 70% commissions, anywhere between 33% to 70% commissions. With Easy One Up, you actually get 100% commissions. You just pay that one-time relicensing fee to be able to earn and promote these products. Now, what I don't like about Easy One Up is the quality of their products. Commission structure is absolutely amazing. It's a 2-tiered commission structure only on the Vertex Pro level and the Vertex Live level. So you're actually going to pass those 2 cells up only on your second cell. That's it. Your second cell goes to your upline and that's it. So it's kind of like a hybrid. It's not full-on multi-level marketing. A lot of people will confuse this with multi-level marketing. Multi-level marketing is multi-tiered, going beneath 2 tiers. This one is not. But I have to say, I have promoted this program in the past. It's a great program. I earned, $129,000 since November 20th. I know the actual date, 2018, because I did a case study on this. And I offered bonuses for people that would sign up. So if they signed up for the $1,000 level or the $2,000 level, they get my up-to-date training that will teach them the up-to-date skill sets on how to market their business online. So I promoted this program. I like the commission structure, didn't like the quality of products. And so I added in some, personal mentoring along with my Inner Circle program that was priced at between $497 and $997. So once again, great commission structure, quality of products could be more up to date. So Super Affiliate Network is going to provide better product quality and up to date products, but their commission structure is going to be a little bit different and you're not going to make as much money off of the sales of the products. So that's top affiliate program number 2. Number 3 is going to be Legendary Marketer. It's much like Super Affiliate Network in its commission structure. I personally know Dave Sharp. I paid this guy over $30,000 to do some mentoring with me over the course of a year. This guy knows communication. This guy knows how to sell. He knows how to teach you how to create a story that attracts people, attracts followers, and attracts buyers. And that's probably half the battle when it comes to building a brand and building an income stream as an affiliate marketer. So I don't know the exact percentages of commissions that you're going to make from Legendary Marketer. I do know the quality of products. The quality is very high level, which I love because Dave's always delivered great value. Since I followed him back in Empower Network, he was actually the co-founder of Empower Network that got started in 2010. That was my first high ticket program that I had success with. So, that's one of the reasons why, I would go with, something like Legendary Marketer because of, this guy helped me generate my first results online and really start to scale and grow my business. So my hats off to Dave Sharp. So I never really transitioned over to Legendary Marketer, but this is something that I will look to promoting here later in 2019. The next affiliate program, which is number 3 here, is Entre Institute. Most of you guys, if not all of you that are watching this, probably have no idea about this company. This company has experience in e-commerce. They have experience in teaching affiliate marketing and then even brick and mortar businesses how to grow and scale their business. So this is a product that's a part of a private affiliate network. So not just anybody can get access to this. You have to be earning at least $10,000 a month or more to be able to start promoting Entre Institute. And you can't just relicense the program. This isn't one of those programs where you get in and then they sell you on relicensing and reselling the program. They've actually completely gone away from doing that. And so I was invited amongst about a dozen other affiliates to promote this specific program. So this is specifically for super affiliates, people that are making at least $10,000 a month or more, but it's also a great program to learn from. They're not biased. They don't have a hidden agenda to get you to promote their program so they can make more money, which is rare for a program. So this is a program that I would highly recommend to actually learn from. Out of all the programs that I've shown you up to this point, this one seems the most organized, and it seems like the most thought went into creating the training. So whether you want to start an affiliate marketing business, you want to start an e-com business, you want to become a coach or a consultant, this is kind of a one-stop shop university to learn how to build a business on the internet. So that's Entre Institute. I know their programs range anywhere from right around $37 all the way up to about $25,000 for, yearly coaching. So that's Entre Institute. That's number 4. Number 5, and my most favorite that I've been promoting as of late, is known as a Leaderboard Affiliate. And the reason why I'm promoting this, got to be a little biased, right? I'm actually featured in one of the products in Leaderboard Affiliate. And the products range anywhere from $27 all the way up to $1,997. And this is the most up-to-date program on how to become a super affiliate. A super affiliate, once again, is somebody that makes at least $10,000 a month or more inside of their business. And in some of the trainings, you actually get to learn from 8-figure marketers like Igor Kafetz. So you're going to learn things from branding to email marketing to YouTube marketing to free Facebook traffic strategies and more. So if you are looking to become an affiliate, you want to be a master affiliate marketer, this specifically focuses on specific evergreen strategies that will help you become the best affiliate marketer so you can start to reach the top of the leaderboards in really any company that you promote. So I think this is a program that's been missing in the affiliate marketing place for quite some time. My business partner, David Deckel, designed this to be evergreen, so it's never outdated. So it's something that will work today and work next year and 5 to 10 years from now. Because what he did is he sat us down, he went through our background, our story, how we got to where we got today, and then specifically how we run our campaigns, how we engineer our campaigns. So it's not like we're showing you how to set certain things up on a computer screen, right? Those, like how to set up a YouTube channel or how to set up a funnel. Softwares change all the time, web pages change all the time, and you can always Google that kind of stuff. What he brought out of us was the higher level stuff, the mindset stuff, the strategy, the thinking behind creating a campaign, and how we go from zero to making our first $1,000 and then $10,000 and then $100,000 and then, $1 million thereafter. You can also pay a relicensing fee to relicense the program. Again, it's kind of like Easy One Up, except these are up-to-date products, and it ranges from a one-time fee of $5 all the way up to $500, depending on where you come in at. And then again, of course, you can relicense and earn up to $1,997 commissions. And that's where I have these big days right here. Like yesterday, I did over $3,000. So those are my top 5 affiliate programs, high ticket affiliate programs here in 2019. If you want to check out my top recommended program, which is of course Leaderboard Affiliate, you can feel free to check that out below. I also got some exclusive bonuses worth over $5,000 that I'm giving away for free to you just for joining my team at a specific level. You can learn a little bit more about that below. But regardless, take the education that I gave you in this training, find which program would best fit you. Most importantly, find a mentor that can support you in that program and, go at it hard for the next 1 to 2 years. Blur out all the shiny object syndrome, and you're going to be happy with the results that you get. If you got some value from this video, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to the channel, tick the bell icon to learn more about how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment, and to receive all notifications of videos that I upload when I upload them. And go ahead and click the link in the resources section if you want access to my #1 recommended product along with my bonuses, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.